Hello everyone, I will help you to manage your forex trading account. Many have contacted me that they want me to help them to manage their forex account, and that is why I'm throwing it open. These I'm showing are some of the trades I've placed in the last few days, and you can see they're all in green. Now, what we're going to do is that the minimum you can start with is $200. You deposit it, and then I start trading it. At the end of each month, I'll make a minimum of 20% of the account, and then we share what is made 50-50. If this is okay by you, send me a DM and then we can chat and take it up from there. I'm very, very transparent. In fact, the Forex trading account can be an existing one which you have. You send me the username and password, and I trade it, and you withdraw and give me my share. See you.